Hello children, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are in good health. Now once again, I'm back here to take your online video classes. Now before we begin, let me wish all of you a very happy new year. I hope this new year brings in your lives a lot of positivity, good health and happiness. And with that, let's get started. Now children, today we are going to start with exercise 5G. Number 1, only one is only there. Those who have the books with you, you can turn to page number 82. Find the quotient and the remainder. We have done a lot of sums like this. I hope you people can do this. I'm not going to show you again these types of sums because we have done a lot already in the previous classes. I've already shown you how to do this. You just have to divide and write the quotient and the remainder. I'm going to send you again few sums from this exercise. Okay, and you're going to do the rest of it in your maths notebooks. Now today we'll be starting exercise 5H. Okay, page number 83, exercise 5H. Number 1, you can do it in your books only. Number 1, you can do it in your books. Choose which operation that we should use in the given situation. Choose which operation that we should use in the given situation. That means children, you just have to choose the situation. That means, will it be addition? Will it be subtraction? Will it be multiplication? Or will it be division? You just have to choose, nothing else. So the first one, let's start the first one. Pooja buys a dress for rupees 780 and her sister Palak buys a game for rupees 800. How much money did they spend together? So Pooja buys a dress for rupees 780 and her sister Palak buys a game for rupees 800. So total how much money did they spend together? What will we do? Simple addition. So in the blank given, you just have to put the sign of addition, the plus sign. You just have to give the plus sign, nothing else. You just have to give the plus sign. Okay. Next, I'm going to send the snapshots also. B. 4,800 liters of water was supplied to 6 homes in a day. How many liters of water did each home use? 4,800 liters of water was supplied to 6 homes in a day. How many liters of water did each home use? Simple division. Simple division. Next, Bilal buys one ticket for rupees 3895. How much will 15 such tickets cost him? Multiply. You have to put the multiplication sign. Gunjan scored 8,605 points on a computer game. Then she lost 1,242 points. How many points are left? What will we do? Total 8,605 points was there. Then she lost 1,242 points. Now she is left with how many points? We have to subtract. So you have to give the subtraction sign. Okay. Next, number 2. A prize money of rupees 360 is divided equally among 4 people. How much will each get? Now this I am going to show you. Okay. So let's start. See. Amount of money which will be divided equal rupees 360. Amount of money which will be divided equal rupees 360. Number of people equal 4. Therefore, amount of money each will get equal rupees 360 divided by 4 equal rupees 90. Now children, you have to divide. You have to show the working. 360 divided by 4. See, 4 9s are 36. Then 36 minus 36, 0. Then 0 will come down. 4 zeros are 0. So 90 will be your answer. Not 90, rupees 90. Rupees 90 will be your answer. Amount of money which will be divided equal rupees 360. Number of people, how many people are there? 4 people. So each will get rupees 360 divided by 4. Your answer will be rupees 90. See properly. Next, number 3. 456 students stand in 6 rows. How many students will be there in each row? So 456 students stand in 6 rows. How many students will be there in each row? Read the question properly. Total 456 students are there. 6 rows are there. How many students will be there in each row? In each row, how many students will be standing? Total 6 rows are there. Total 456 students are there. In each row, how many students will be standing? What will we do? See. So total number of students 456. Number of rows 6. Number of students in each row 456 divided by 6. Your answer will be 76. 76 students. See the working. 456 divided by 6. 6 sevens are 42. Then 45 minus 42. 3 will come after subtracting. Then 6 will come down. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 0. 76 students will be your answer. Total number of students 456. Number of rows 6. Therefore, number of students in each row equal 456 divided by 6 equal 76 students. Very easy. See properly. So I hope you people have understood. If not, children, please feel free to ask me. I'll be very happy to help you people out. Whenever you want, please feel free to ask me. Okay? So no more for today. In the next class, I'm going to do the rest of the sums. We'll be again meeting in the next video. Until then, smile more and worry less. Bye.